Hello, good morning. My name is Herman Scholte. I represent LTECH. We do the distribution for whole Europe. We have several options to control your LED lights. More like DMX controllers. This, for instance, multiple channel DMX controller. You can control 8 times RGBW. It's a simple control options. We have one working on the wall. This is also DMX controller. Here you see 4 times RGBW, so 16 channels, and the wall is working via the touch panel. So this is steering the lights via the DMX controller. Sorry?
The website?
The website is www.ltech-led.eu.